our stainless steel reach-in refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. We have an overall length of 26.75 inches, a depth of 30.5 inches, and the overall height on caster wheels will be 82 inches tall. Coming to the inside of the reach-in refrigerator, for the interior, we have a length of 23 inches in length, a depth of 24.25 inches, and the overall height we have 54 inches tall. Included will be 3 adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 22 inches in depth by 21.5 inches in length. Measurements apply for each of the 3 shelves that will be included. Also included will be your instruction manual along with keys for lockup. Coming to the top will be the power switch along with the temperature control. Refrigerator has a stainless steel interior with a plastic trim that runs along the edges on the front of the refrigerator. Coming to the left will be a E-tail certification along with the specifications for this refrigerator. Last but not least, this refrigerator runs on 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you. Refrigerator